started using Revizto because we were trying to explore other options that we had for coordination software we've been using, and we've had our ear to the ground about Revizto for a while. So when they released their coordination software, we heard about it and we're like, all right, let's go ahead and give it a try. You're adopting this entirely new coordination software that you had never seen before that was so unlike what we've been using for so long. And so at first it was a bit daunting. We just, we had to take some time to learn it. Luckily, there was a lot of resources to learn it. The more and more people we had onboarded and more people we had trained, the process of learning it was just getting faster and faster. It's been such a time saver. It runs really smoothly on our computers. It looks great. Introducing it to new people is really fun because they see it and they're like, wow, this is so different. It feels like a video game. We now feel more comfortable running multiple projects at a time when typically we're assigned the one project to work off our software and that's kind of it. And that's just what all your time goes into. Now we feel more comfortable being able to run 2 to 3 projects at a time. It's no longer having to show every single issue to our trade partners during our meetings, but rather it's this ongoing collaboration process throughout the week, and they no longer have to wait just for that one meeting to view every single issue that we've already caught. Clash automation has been an absolute game changer to our processes. It just saves us so much time having to go through every single issue. Instead of us having to manually group things, it does it all for us. We're seeing people catching issues that I don't think we would have caught before. The phone app has been pretty interesting to use ever since the augmented reality feature has been added. We're starting to encourage our field team to do that little AR overlay feature on the field so they can compare what's in the model and what was actually installed. I think my favorite Revizto feature that I love just blowing everyone's mind with is the 2D overlay. It's such a small, simple feature that does so much. I love showing it to my architects and to the owners, mainly because they're always looking at the 2D drawings. And so when I show them the model, they always tell me, okay, where is that in the drawings? They don't see it the same way I do. So every time they ask, well, what is it? Where is that in the drawings? I tell them oh, just 1 second. And we'll do that 2D overlay onto the 3D model. And they're like, wow, that's really cool. And we're able to check to see what it looks like according to what they have in the drawings, which, is contract. And so I love showing that to everyone. It's definitely a mind-blowing feature.